I'm getting mad.
Oh, spit up.
There, she got that on film. There you go.
Why don't you use the burp rag, Vic, on your shoulder? Rudy!
Waiting for the flash.
The face, but no voice.
Ride a little horsey down to town. Giddy up, don't fall down.
Your dad gone tonight?
I don't think so, because I don't think when all of them making a big deal he was gone.
Hi, baby.
Maybe he's just working.
Hi, baby.
Ready to go up north during all this.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, boy?
Oh, yeah, her little grungy body.
Caitlin said Carter likes when she goes to my MySpace page because he likes to look at his best friend pictures.
Oh, where's my baby?
So what is it?